So it's a five-letter word that rhymes with slide.
You miss one letter in the word slide.
So you guys bought me it.
Yeah, sometimes, and sometimes you make it.
Cause I'm kind of guessing we're going to somewhere we're gonna eat. I'm not sure. I started doing Wordle so I
The place that we'll visit ends with PIA. Hey everybody, welcome to our vlog. Ay, sorry, nasa parking kami. Not a good example, pero nasa parking kami.
my
And
bangs are not banging.
first part ng birthday celebration.
Battle
Yeah.
of the boss.
No, battle of 100 pesos. Sigutopia kasi. But we're here in Mall of Asia. Pupunta na kami sa Sigutopia.
Let's
So this is
go.
the first part. Welcome to... Hindi ako nakatingin. Ano ba yan? Makaulitin na lang natin. Are you excited?
Pin to match. Look at my Gojo pin.
Oh yeah.
Meron lang.
Remember the time we also had the hard time paying them?
Yeah.
Go in na. For later na.
Later na.
Yes po. Pina lang po tayo sila po muna. Ay, kasama po sila. Ay, mga pizza nila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ay, that's it.
Go! Okay. It looks ano, ew. Like this?
Yeah. This. I can't do it.
That's fine. He just went like that and did nothing.
I was like, oh my gosh.
I'll try.
My mind wasn't processing it.
Ew.
1, 2,
Wait.
go.
That's like shit. Diba dyan may shoes? Okay yan. Kahit makalagpas ka lang dito. Ready, go! Ready, go! Lagi yung kasama mo dito. Here's the problem.
What?
Why? So all you have to do...
Gonna go up.
Wait, dahil po competitive kami, hindi namin ito i-video.
Wait, can you
Follow the moving video.
Manny Pacquiao! Naglo!
I don't know. Paano to? Pasok na kami? Ah, okay. So, yun naman.
Right sa kanan. Hindi parang. Right.
Right.
Right dito.
Yes. Do you want to remove your glasses? Did you get it?
More scarier than it looked like. I'm not kidding.
You wear your shoes.
I'm not kidding.
What?
I did. Before when I looked at the people, it was not that high. But when it was here, it was so high. It was I fell off.
One.
It was
Three, two, one.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
So. Don't remove it. We're going to do this, eh?
Three, two, one, get nine. One more. Ready? Three, two, one, get nine.
What if you were like? Oh my god! Daddy, give me a
Ay, you get to have 6 charms.
This one is red, yellow, green, orange, blue, and pink.
Ilan po kayo lang? Red po.
This is red?
Since nag-upgrade naman po kayo, pwede po siya makapit.
Ano ang mga scent?
Yes.
It's gonna be cola.
Okay. It's up to you. That's yours na.
Yours is gonna be lemon.
I was thinking of
What?
no, we paid it. Lemon is free. So, what if we choose coffee?
Yung
Do
red
you like the smell of coffee?
Red is cola.
Red is what color? Red is cola?
Red is cola.
What are you doing?
Kaya natin sa.
One cola?
Yeah. Yellow po, tapos
Ay, yellow. Ayun,
Magic yan, sir, magic.
Asan yung coffee?
caramel.
Ay, caramel? Bubble gum. No. Coffee. Good choice.
Yung number, no.
Ito yung coffee pag matap. Oh! Ano to? Kilikili? May kilikili ba to? May kilikili ba? Ang bango namang kilikili nito. Ano na to? Good coffee ba? Thank you, cucumber melon. Mabango. Good choice. Ito na lang po.
Pwede ko po mag-add ng egg.
Pwede pa po. Do you want me to mix it or do you want...
You mix it.
Kaso madudumihan yung kamay.
Okay lang. Ay! Okay lang.
Hindi, okay lang. Ha? Sabi,
Oh, that's good.
sabi ni ano ni... Happy birthday to my auntie. Thank you. Say thank you.
Just always say thank you.
Yes. Green to?
Yes.
Ito may glitters to. Wala po. I need your help.
What?
I don't know how to get it out of my hand.
This pat it. Nice job.
It's thick eh. This one too. Oh, you hope. I think there's a burger.
Where?
Thank you so much.
The sunglasses.
Oh yeah. Why did you put it there?
Para maganda. And banana? Hindi, wag na lang po banana ko. Banana.
That's so mean.
Yeah. We'll give you na lang banana.
Say thank you. Thank you. Your tablet. Bye, thank you.
Ito yung mga pictures ni sir. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung mga mag-isa na.
Where do you want to eat?
I want either Jollibee McDo or KFC.
Take your pick. No? You look like a mess.
My bangs look like zero. Look at my friend.
You show them what I picked, what you picked for me.
Yeah, it needs to slide.
Yellow is my favorite color. I'm not sure if you remember.
Yeah, that's why I picked yellow. So I got him sunglasses because every time we go somewhere, he probably brings sunglasses.
The camera. Okay.
Because when we go somewhere, he brings beer. Like in a like beach ganun, he always has. Or when he's partying. And then this,
How was it? Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed a lot. After that, I had headache.
This is yours.
Oh yeah, that's
What? Here.
Hi. I was about to say spicy and it's hot.
You're also what? so far?
Cool.
School?
Cool lang.
Seems like you didn't have fun.
It seems like I'm fun as and my shorts are falling off like t-shirt. And I can't fix
Now everybody knows.
Can you put it so I can fix my shorts?
We have to go up.
Oh my god, why is it so cold?
It is. You know what? I thought we were just there trying out. Get it here.
At home.
Siya na pala. They also ingested it too. I was talking. That's what
Because I was thinking I ingested.
I ingested it too. You don't like the smell of that. Thank you, Ate. Salamat. Let's go.
Like this, the Artopia, stuff like that. Because I can actually do that.
Oh.
I'll have fun because physical. I don't have to. Yeah, I want to do something that. I researched about the patchy and Google said they're really expensive, and there's 50 varieties. What's the pronunciation?
Variety.
Varieties of this chocolate, and I like this one. Very good. It's a whole brand.